Yes.
That's
What
all,
else?
madam.
What? No, 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 no. You need to speak. You need to speak. See, the more you speak, the more you learn.
Okay,
So
okay.
think what else you did yesterday.
Madam, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I am fine. How are
Good.
you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. So, tell me something about yourself.
I am Paul Raj from Tamil Nadu in Coimbatore. I am
That's
working in ITI teacher.
oh, you are a
ITI,
teacher.
technical field.
ITI.
Yeah, yeah,
And what
technical
is the
field.
full form of ITI?
Industrial Training Institute.
Okay, Industrial Training Institute. So that's great. That's great. So, what are your hobbies?
My hobby is a service, madam. I am servicing
No, no.
orphanage student.
I am asking, what are your hobbies? What do you like to do?
I reading book and learn to music and watching the TV.
Watching the TV. That's good.
Yeah,
So, what type of books you read?
Bible scripture reading.
Come
That
again,
is
please.
Bible. Some books mm, scripture reading. That is means Bible oriented.
Okay, okay, okay. That's good. That's good. And what kind of music you listen to?
Violin, madam.
Violin.
Violin. Yeah,
You play violin also?
yeah. I learned to violin. I play.
That's great. So since long you are playing violin?
Madam,
Since long you are playing violin?
now I am playing. Now I will play, madam.
Sorry?
Now I play in violin.
I'm not getting you. What?
Now I am playing violin.
Yes, yes, yes. I'm same thing I'm asking. Since long you are playing violin? Like when did you start playing violin?
Just over 3 months, madam.
Oh, that's
Last
good.
3 months.
That's good. That's
Th-
good.
Thank you,
So now,
madam. I am very happy to and speak with you. First, I am speaking English with you. The God is great. This opportunity. Thank you.
see,
But
thank you.
how to speak?
I should say thanks to you that see, I am also a learner. I am also doing practice. So it's so nice of you that you people send me the mail so that I can also practice with you. So it's a two-way process. If you are
Okay.
saying thanks to me, then I should also say thanks to you. So thank you. You are giving
Thank
me
you,
your
madam.
precious time. So we both are learning by conversing with each other. Something I
Okay,
learned
okay.
from you and something you will learn from me.
Okay, madam. I am
Yes.
very eager, madam, in English. Learn to English. Many years I am practice, but how to speak, I am fear some troubles. How to speak with
See, so have you noted down what all hindrance you are facing while speaking English?
yeah, I speak in English, madam. Just
Yes.
some words.
Mhm.
Words I speak to another person, but not responsible. That is the area our near the neighbors in speak to local language in Tamil.
Yes.
So how to practice in English?
Yes, yes. But now YouTube has given us a great platform where we can speak to each other and we can practice our English.
No available, madam, in platform. But God is great. I want last 3 days I am watching the YouTube and display your picture and your videos. I see to how to speak in English. That is good. I am apply to your mail ID. So
Yes.
that is God's way.
That's so
That is
nice of you.
given
So
to
nice.
opportunity.
So nice of you.
Mm.
So okay, I want to ask you a thing, that how did this idea come in your mind that you should start speaking English? When did you start speaking English?
Mm. I don't know, madam.
No, there is always something. There is always something inside us who says like that. Okay, this is the time that I should start speaking English. That I should add something in my skill. So, what was that need which make you think that you should speak English?
Madam, you speak in English, I am understand, but how to tell about you, I don't know.
So, whatever is coming in your mind, you just speak that. Once you speak, the fluency will automatically come, the words will automatically come. So, you speak whatever you want to speak. Okay, what did you have in your breakfast today? Tell me.
Yeah, yes, madam, I had breakfast in upma.
You had upma. You people are very fond
Upma.
of upma, idli, dosa, sambar. Yes?
Yeah, yeah.
Great. Okay, tell me something about your yesterday's schedule. What did you do yesterday, the whole day schedule?
Yesterday, I am working to in garden and prepare the cook meals. Some help to cook with corona patients. I
Oh,
prepare to, oh yeah,
that's so
that is
nice
campus
of
in
you.
that
Good.
is campus in arrangement in food corona patients.
Okay.
I help them.
Hmm.
Yeah.
What else? Like
Then
you should start. You should start that. I woke up at 5 a.m. yesterday. So you
Yeah.
start from there. See, this will help us in making our past sentence. So that's why
Okay,
I'm
okay.
asking you your yesterday's schedule. So you need to
Yesterday.
use the second verb, was, were, everything in past. So that's why I'm
Okay,
asking
ma'am.
you your yesterday's schedule. You speak whatever you did yesterday.
Yesterday I was get up in 7 o'clock.
Okay.
After I am finished the face wash and I had breakfast.
Yes.
Then then I speak with about neighbors sometimes.
Great.
After I am prepared, I am
Was.
prepared to
Use was. If we are talking
use
about
post
yesterday, then you
yesterday.
need to use the second verb,
You-
was, were.
Okay.
Yes. Start.
Then I am used the food.
Yes,
Then
yes. Hmm.
um, then some I am watch the TV.
Good.
After I am sleeping, then evening I was going to walk with the cook.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
That's
What
all,
else?
madam.
What? No. You need to speak. You need to speak. See, the more you speak, the more you learn.
Okay,
So
okay.
think what else you did yesterday.
Yesterday that's program, madam. That's all.
Okay. So what are you going to do today? What is your plan for today?
Today after meeting, I am going to prepare the food
Okay. Okay.
and some working in campus in civil work.
Okay.
Then I will help them.
Hmm.
After afternoon, I will eat meals.
Good. Hmm.
Then sometimes I am rest.
Yes. What else?
And I will speak to cook and another neighbor.
Hmm.
After I want to see in TV and practice in violin practice.
Yes.
After I will go to walk with a neighbor and cook.
Yes.
Then I will go to bed.
Good. That's the spirit. You should speak. Don't think that you are saying you are going to say something wrong or something right. You just need to speak, because first of all we
Okay,
need to have that confidence that yes, I can speak in English. So first you
okay,
just
madam.
need to speak.
Okay.
Yeah. So okay, what movie you like the most? Can you understand Hindi?
Mostly,
First of all, can you understand Hindi?
and I am not Hindi, madam. I don't know
Okay.
Hindi.
Okay,
I
it's
am
okay.
Tamil.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. So tell me, what is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie, it is not that is I am any movie. Just a comedy. I
Okay.
watch the comedy movie.
Okay. So okay. What is your favorite serial? What do you watch in TV?
Favorite serial, I am not interested. Favorite serial, but any other channels I are seeing in TV. Somebody I watch the comedy serials, comedy movies.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then I will
That's
have to my energies.
hmm. Yes, those are
Any
boost up
other channels I want to
serials.
see.
Those are
Yeah.
boost up serials.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Humor is very important in life.
Yes, madam.
True, true. So see, you just need to be confident. You can speak English. You just need to practice with the different people. And whenever you schedule any meeting, you prepare something, you note down something, and then speak on that topic to the people.
Okay, madam. But neighbor near the people say he want to speak in Tamil local language. They are
See,
speaking in Tamil language.
yes,
Out.
with neighbors, we should talk to in that language only, which they can understand. But here I am talking about, like we
Okay.
are conversing here. So you will speak to different people also. Obviously, like you have sent me a mail regarding our conversation. So you should also send mail to the different people also. See, there are so many people sitting on the YouTube and they converse with each other.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. So what else
Right,
you
ma'am.
do, what else you do to improve your spoken English?
Improve spoken in grammar. I am learned to grammar and
Okay.
reading to English book.
Okay,
That's I
that's
am
good.
going to English reading book.
Yes, that's good. That's good. You are speaking so well. You just need to speak, 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 and speak.
Okay, madam. I will try,
Yes.
madam.
Yeah, you are speaking well. You see, you described your yesterday's routine. You described your today's routine also. So you just need to speak.
Okay, madam. I will try speak with you, madam.
Yes, with me also and with the other people also.
Other people's, but our response is in Tamil language, local language.
No.
How?
Like, no. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that you are conversing me on Zoom. You are conversing me on the YouTube platform. So there are other people also with whom you can converse.
Okay.
Not
And
with the
understand. Okay, madam.
neighbors. Not with the neighbors.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I understand, madam. Understand, madam.
Yes. So actually, Paul Raj, our meeting is going to finish in next 1 minute. So it's nice talking to you. And whenever
Madam,
I'll
thank
get
you
time
very
to
much.
connect, I'll definitely connect with you.
Madam, thank you, madam. I will eager to regularly I speak with you in English. If you don't
Yes.
mind,
No issue.
any free time you free, I will join with you, speak with in conversation in English, madam. Please help
Yes.
me our improve in the language. That is God is gift to you an opportunity. Good, thank you.
See, we all are here helping each other. We are all here to practice. So whenever I'll get time, I'll definitely connect with you. So you
Okay,
just
okay,
keep
madam.
practicing. You just keep speaking. You can
Okay,
speak
okay.
in
I
front
will.
of the mirror. You can practice anything, whatever you want, and you can make videos of that your communication or your practice. So this will help you a lot.
Okay, okay. Thank you, madam. Thank
Yes,
you.
yes. So it's nice
Please help
talking to
me,
you.
madam. Please help me. Okay, you are good.
Yes,
Good,
always, always, always. We are always there for you.
when you're free time, just and connect the Zoom meeting.
Sure, sure, sure. So thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank